Okay, man. Alright, what happened was my door handle stopped opening the door. Thought I was gonna have to buy another door handle. It only worked when I opened it from the inside. I had to take this panel off. Take the panel off. It's 3 screws. That screw right there. The screw down there. And it's a screw, what else? It's a screw 1 down there, 2. And what was the other screw? I think that's just 2 screws. Oh, and a screw right there. And then you gotta pry it open because of the rivets. Okay, and then what happened with my door, I was gonna buy a whole nother door. I bought door handle on eBay. Oh, to check the door handle, need a T20 screwdriver. Right here. It's a little plastic piece. You take that rubber piece, you take that off. And you use the screwdriver, and then you can see the little rivet right there. You loosen it up, and this door handle will come off. You can check the door handle, but it wasn't the door handle. It was the cable. The cable right there, it wasn't attached. See that little white part? That little white part above the yellow cable, it wasn't attached to the pulley. So I had to reattach it to the pulley, man. And now my door works. Thank God. I ain't gotta spend $300. Go to the dealership and have them fix it, because that's what they'll charge. $300 or probably more. Peace out.